Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to set up multi-factor authentication, or also known as MFA, on your Google account. Now, what MFA is it's a secondary layer of security for your account. So this is basically checking to validate, is this really you, using either passkey, a phone number, a QR code, or something like that, just to validate it is really you that is signing into your account. So let's go ahead and dive in on how to do this. So here I am signed into my Google account. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you're going to click on Manage Google Accounts. From here, you're going to click on Security. And at the very top, you're going to see a thing that says two-step verification. Go ahead and click on that. So you've got some options. The first one you got is passkey and security key. So this is where you use your biometrics to sign into a Google account instead of a password. The second thing is a Google prompt. So usually if you already signed into Google on other stuff like YouTube or Gmail or something, this will basically use that device to say, hey, is it really you? Go ahead and type in a number and confirm it's really you. Next one is Authenticator. So this is like using Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or if you're in the Apple ecosystem, you can use passwords. The final one is your phone number. This one I would probably recommend doing if this is your only option, but I recommend using the other three options first. So let's go ahead and start by setting up passkey. And this is both supported in the Mac ecosystem and Windows. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. We're going to hit cancel on this. We're going to hit create, can't close, that's fine. We're going to hit create a passkey. Create a passkey. So now this is going to use my fingerprint to sign into my Google account. Done. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and go back. And let's do Authenticator. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to my passwords on my iPhone. And here I am in my Tech Corner. And I'm going to hit Set Up Authenticator. So now on my phone, I'm going to hit Edit. I'm going to hit Set Up a Code. Scan QR code. So I'm going to point my phone at the screen. There we go. We're going to hit Next. And I'm going to go ahead and type in that code. So I'm going to click the little Done. Then I'm going to type in this number. And then hit Verify. So now I can use my code on my phone to authenticate for my Tech Corner Gmail account. So perfect. And we're going to go ahead and make sure this is turned on, because we want to make sure that is turned on. Turn on two-factor verification. Yes. Okay, perfect. And it's saying I have Google, I have Authenticator, and I have passkey. And then of course you could always do a phone number if you want, but pretty much if you use a passkey and on an Authenticator app or through the Google app, that should pretty much cover you. And that is how you can go about setting up two-factor authentication on your Google account. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free and supports the channel. And click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.